Tunnel of Glam is an 80-foot tunnel line with 14 million reversible sequins, which is located at Yonge and St. Clair. It is free admission for all. The tunnel is highly photographable and entertaining. How'd you like it, Chloe? Oh, someone drew something. I also would say that it is very interesting to do for kids and adult likewise, because the material on the walls allowed for the pictures to be created by visitors. Also, it is a good place for Instagram pictures. I made some heart, Chloe.
How do you guys want it? What picture am I taking? No. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are you making your name? Are you completing it? It's good, Chloe.
Anything in the back you need, or just?
Happy birthday! Did you sing Daddy a happy birthday already, Chloe? Yes? Yeah? You guys are cute. Oh, this is... What are you having, birthday boy?
Mama, yours looks like a soup with rice in the middle.
I know. I love it. It's called gumbo. I love it.
This
How
one
about
looks
you?
really good. I like this style, boy.
That looks yummy too.
Yeah, you can try this one too.
You can try it, Chloe.
What is this one? This one is.
It's like sausage.
Is that the
I heard them say pork.
Yeah. Pork is the...
Is that the jambalaya?
No, it's pasta.
And which one is that?
Okay, Chloe, can you please stop doing that?
That's it. This is good. You want to try it? It's good.
Hello. Hello.
So I'm having a gumbo chicken and shrimp.
And I'm having mac and I have mac and cheese. My daddy has
A few moments later.
pasta.
I know this box. I was wondering, why would your mom take a box in the closet? Doesn't make sense.
Shouldn't like this.
Hey, take,
I already know what it is.
Why you're opening it? It's
Yes, I
supposed to
want her
be
to open.
daddy.
No, I want her to open. Wait, stick it on the paper, please. Stick it on the paper.
I know what it is. It's kind of funny.
That's good.
Why did you tape this?
What is that?
Oh my gosh.
Mask? Am I gonna have a facial? I'm holding it. I'm gonna have a facial.
Yeah, you're gonna have it tonight. You're gonna facial with me.
Oh, am I wearing that gift already?
You're wearing it already.
Hmm? Why am I wearing it already?
No, there's a difference between the two.
Why am I
With the-
wearing? I have a twin, Chloe. I got a twin
Isn't
shirt.
that that's different?
I have a twin shirt, Chloe. Look. I like it.
But look, Daddy, here's a funny
Good.
part for me. Kind of
Perfect.
funny.
This is what I want.
Is this the funny one? No, it's not the funny one. What is this?
Is that?
Another
I
shirt.
thought it was a pajama, like yours. You know the long one.
And last but not least, I would know what the last one is. Mama told me. Underwear!
How was it?
Good.
Yeah, perfect.
Underwears.
Yeah.
How about the size?
Medium.
Medium?
Yes.
Underwear time.
Why? I don't have enough underwear.
No, because I tore some of yours.
I don't have enough underwear. I bought myself socks. Why is this funny? Hmm?
Underwear.
You don't have underwear?
I know, but your underwear is weird.
What do you mean weird? Why is it weird?
Because it's shorts.
That's what underwear is. Supposed to be
mine
short.
is not shorts.
Yeah, these are boxers. They call these boxers.
I know.
It's a trunks. And I don't know why your mom did this one. Look. What does it say? What does it say? What does it say?
Oh, this one?
What it says?
Woven trunks.
No. Read it. The first word, Chloe. Woman.
But it has a V.
It's woven. Woven, not woman.
It's a woven, not woman.
That's like a woman trunks. Why would your mom give me a woman trunks?
It's woven.
I just said, read it, Chloe.
That is so funny, Chloe.
It's for you, Chloe. You're funny.
You're fun.
Melting.
Chloe,
I'm like,
you have to sing. No, why you're blowing? It's supposed to be
after-
daddy.
we're gonna blow it together after you sing. Remember the one at Cheesecake Factory? The way you did it? Happy birthday to you. Remember? Go on. Can you do that again? That's it.
Why?
The happy birthday. I want to hear it again.
Happy birthday, song.
Yes.
Yeah, the happy birthday song. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to you. Dun, dun, dun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Come on. Go. But go first. 1, 2.
Aww.
Thank you. I love that music. That song. Oh my goodness.